Kadance's first 4th of July and fireworks. Boy, this coloring is really lighting sun. Oh, good girl. We got some fireworks over here. Can't really see them in this thing. There's some. Barely. Fireworks down the street that way. We went down. Most importantly, Kadance is not scared. Oh, and I'm showing her that you're supposed to scream and say, "Wow! Woo, pretty!" And all the colors. And she is all dressed up for 4th of July. Red, white, and blue. Looking all cute. So we're on our way home. We just walked down the street to go look at some fireworks.